Jai Hind dear all, and welcome back to this video. In question number 5 we have to find the smallest number by which it should be multiplied so as to get perfect square number. Also we need to find the square root of the square number so obtained, right? So we have 6 parts in this question for which we are going to find the smallest whole number by which it should be multiplied to get a perfect square number. Okay, so we are going to find the smallest whole number. So what we will do, for each of these numbers we will find its prime factorized form, and by looking at that form we will find out the multiplier that will turn it into a perfect square. So let's see the first part, right? In first part we have 252, as we have already discussed this concept in our previous class. So first of all we are going to find prime factorization of 252. So the smallest prime number that can divide 252 is 2. So 2 times 1, 2 and 6. Again 2. 2 times 6 is 12 and 3. Since now it will not be divided by 2, so next possible prime number is 3, which is smallest, 21. Again 3 times, as we can see 7 times is 21, and now 7 times 1 is 7. Clear? So factorized form of 252 is equals to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. We will write all the factors together as we are doing. Now we will split into pairs. But see, 7 is having no pair. So as we have learned, we need one more 7 to get pair of 7. So, and in this way we can find our perfect square. So what we will do, we will multiply 252 by 7, and that will turn into a perfect square number. So 252 times 7 will be equals to whole square of 2 into 3 into 7. Clear why we are doing this? Now what we can say, so we have found the square root. Now we will write square root of 252 times 7, or we can say square root of 1764 is, we will write one time, so 2 into 3 into 7 will gives you 42. So in this way we have found perfect square number, and the least number that should be multiplied in 252 is 7. Clear? And the square root of the result is 42. So that is the answer for this part. You have to do in your copy according to your syllabus. So that's why moving to part 2. In part 2 we are going to do the same thing for 180. Now as you all know the step, what we are going to do? Yes, first we will find prime factorization of 180, and the least possible number we will take is 290. Again 2, it will be 45, right? Now this is not divisible by 2, so taking next possible prime number, it will be 3. 3 times 1 is 3 and 5, 15. Again dividing by 3 we will get 5. Now next possible prime number is 5 only, so 5 times 1 is 5. Now we are going to write all the factors. So 180 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. We will write all the factors together. Now we will split it into pair. On looking this prime factorized form, we see that again 5 is having no pair. So what we can do to make it a perfect square? Yes. We will multiply it by 5. So 180 multiplying by 5 will give result 2 into 3 into 5 whole square. Right? And square root of 5 times of 180, or we can say that square root of 900 will be equal to, we will just take one number out of each pair. So what we can write? Square root will be equals to 2 into 3 into 5. That gives you result 6 times 5, that is 30. Right? So the smallest possible number that should be multiplied, as we have got the perfect square number out of this is 5, and the perfect square number so obtained is 30. Clear? So third part, you can see the answer. Directly moving to the fourth part, we are going to find the prime factorization of 2028. The least possible number to divide 2028 is 2. So let's start dividing it by 2. We will get 1 times 2, 0, 1, 4. Again we will divide it by 2. So we will get 5 times 10, 0, 7. At unit place we got odd number. So it can't be divisible by 2. We will proceed to next possible prime number. So it will be divisible by 3. So 3 times 1 is 3, 6 and 9. Alright. Now 169 cannot be divisible by 3, and if you can see, 169 is a square of which number? Absolutely correct. It is square of 13. So 13 times 13 is 169, and 13 times 1 is 13. So now what is the next step? We will write all the factors together. So 2028 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 13 into 13. Now we will split it into pairs. We got pair of 2, we got pair of 13. But again, we haven't got pair of 3. What we will do now? Yes, we will multiply it by 3 to get a perfect square number. So 2028 we will multiply by 3, right? So it will be 2, as you got 2 in a pair, 3 again in a pair, and 13 we had already in a pair. So 2 times 3 into 13 whole square, right? So we will just multiply 1 out of each. If you haven't understood, please I recommend to see the previous video where we understood that how to find smallest whole number. So square root of this will be 2 into 3 into 13. We are just going to write 1 out of each pair. So we will get 3 times 2 is 6, 6 times 13 is 78. So what is the smallest number we have obtained? Yes, the smallest number for 2028, to make it a perfect square, we will multiply it by 3, and the perfect square we have got is 78. I hope so till now I'm clear at my point. If you haven't understood any of the concept, please go through this video again and feel free to ask us. We will proceed with our next question in our next video. Thank you.